Hello, my name is Omar Hisham. I am from Cairo, Egypt. I have finished CS50 Introduction to Database course with SQL, and this is my final project. This project was designed and created using MySQL, as MySQL contained features like stored procedures, enum data type, which I have used in my final project, and these features are not present in SQLite. I have created a restaurant reservation system which allow users to or people to make reservations and rate restaurants, pay deposits, and also allow restaurant staff to track tables. Let's take a look at the ERG diagram. We have a users table, payments table, reservations table, ratings table, restaurants table, restaurant tables table, which are physical tables inside each restaurant. Let's take a look at the content of each table. Users table store information about specific user like first name, last name, phone number. Restaurants table store also specific information about each restaurant like name and location. Ratings table store ratings that the users made on restaurants. Payment table include all data related to payment like deposit, which is the amount of money the user will pay to confirm reservation. Total amount order, which is the total price of an order that the user have made in a restaurant, plus a deposit. Final balance is calculated using a trigger, which is the amount of money a user will pay after subtracting a deposit. We have a restaurant tables table contain also information about each table, whether it's available or booked, and its view, whether it's indoor or outdoor. Reservations table include all the information necessary to allow a user to make a reservation. Also created some stored procedures, one like a stored procedure to add a user, and we have another one to add rating. I also created some views to allow restaurant staff to track tables and know which tables are free and which tables are booked. I have also used indexes to improve performance. Now let's try some live queries. The first one is to show restaurants that have average rating greater than 2.5. Here are all the restaurants that have average rating greater than 2.5. The second one is to show all reservations with user details. Here is the result of the second query. We have two reservations. One was Ala Gamal on the 2nd of May and the other on 20 May. Same in the same restaurant, which is a Primus. This is the content of the users table before we call the stored procedure add reservation. Now let's see how the stored procedure called add reservation will add the user who is not registered in the system to users table and to reservations table. Here it is. Ibrahim is added to users table and its reservation is added to reservations table. Now let's see what will happen when a user goes to a restaurant, finishes meal, and want the final balance. Here is the payments table before the trigger. Here is the payment table after the trigger. As we see, final balance is calculated by subtracting the total amount order from a deposit.